Hello, good morning to you all. Today I got surprised when I ordered this online, this coconut plant, and this is just the size of my hand. Yeah, my palm. Okay, see, this I purchased for 150 rupees and really want to show you this surprising. I received this package, and please do comment what is the smallest size of coconut plant you have seen till date. And to my surprise, this is the smallest plant what I have seen up to now, and I'm not sure whether this is totally a coconut plant also. Okay, and please do comment on this. Did you see before the smallest coconut plant? Anyway, I'm going to plant this, and maybe I can check it after like 6 to 7 months how it will be. Is it really a coconut plant? I need to check. But I got surprised. What I am going to ask you people is, are you too surprised with the size of this coconut plant? This small size, see here, the seed is also pretty small. Yes, check my palm size, and it is very small, like a miniature, and it is looking cute. But I ordered this for 150 rupees. Maybe I need to check whether it is worth or not. Okay, I'll give the updates. Please do comment your opinions on this, if it is really a coconut plant, and please do comment whether you have seen any plant of this small size. Okay, so that would surprise me. Okay, maybe I am the one who is seeing this for the first time. Maybe you may all already know this before. I want to just know, so your comments will really help me. Anyway, I'll give an update by uploading another video on this plant, but this is looking pretty cute, really cute, and I'm just waiting to read the comments. Okay.